Hey everyone, welcome back to another WeThrift.com video. Today, we're talking about one of the most exciting days of your life, your wedding day. But let's face it, weddings can be expensive. That's why I've put together some tips and tricks to help you save money on your big day without sacrificing your dream wedding. Let's get started. The venue is often the most expensive part of any wedding. To save money, consider having your wedding on a weekday or during the off-season. You can also opt for a less traditional venue, such as a park, beach, or community center. Lastly, don't forget to negotiate with the venue. They may be willing to give you a discount. Another way to save money is to keep your guest list small. While it may be tempting to invite everyone you've ever met, remember that each additional guest means more money spent on food, drinks, and favor. Be selective and only invite those who are truly important to you. When it comes to decorations, D8 is your friend. Get creative and make your own centerpieces, table runners, or wedding favors. You can also save money by buying flowers that are in season and using greenery instead of expensive flowers. Lastly, consider renting decorations instead of buying them. Buying a wedding dress can be one of the biggest expenses for a bride. Instead of buying new, consider renting a dress or buying a pre-owned one. You can also save money by shopping for bridesmaid dresses at department stores or online. Lastly, don't forget to negotiate with the tailor for any alterations you need. To save money on food and drinks, consider having a buffet-style meal instead of a sit-down dinner. You can also opt for a cash bar or offer a limited selection of drinks. Lastly, don't forget to ask your caterer about any package deals or discounts they may offer. A professional photographer can be costly, but it's an important part of your wedding day. To save money, consider hiring a photographer for just a few hours instead of the entire day. You can also ask a friend or a family member who is skilled with a camera to take some candid shots throughout the day. And that's it. Those are some of my top tips for saving money on your wedding day. Remember, your wedding day should be about celebrating your love, not about breaking the bank. With a little bit of creativity and some smart planning, you can have your dream wedding without going over budget. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.